Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where to go to factory reset your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV. So go on over to the right, go to Settings, go to Device and Software, and select this. Then scroll on down, and way under this list, we have Reset to Factory Default to remove all personal data and downloaded content from your TV. Select this. Then reset to factory default. You are about to reset your TV to its original factory settings. Your sign-in information and personal preferences will be lost. So just go to reset, and then after about 5 to 10 minutes, you'll have to sign back in with your Amazon password and account, and then you should be good to use it again. And all your information is good to be reset from here. Now, if you get like a password pin or something like that on your account, just back out of this menu, I think 5 times, and you will still get the option to factory reset it. So just go in and out, and then the 5th time you'll get this option to factory reset. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.